Boo! Hello! Today we're going to be working on a craft. We're going to be making a bat out of popsicle sticks. There's two different styles that we can do, and we're going to do style 2. Let's empty out all of our supplies. Now that we have all of our supplies, we need to lay out 6 popsicle sticks. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job! And 2 small ones. Now we're going to arrange our popsicle sticks to look like a little bat. What color are these? Black. That's right. Now we're gluing on our 2 small popsicle sticks to hold everything together. Now that everything is dry, let's make the bat's ears. We need 2 triangles for this. 1 small one and 1 big one. And we're going to glue the small one on top of the big one. There we go. Now we have 2 bat ears in total. Now we're going to make the bat's mouth. We need to glue on 2 small triangles onto this moon shape. There we go. And we have 2 googly eyes to put on as well. Let's glue down our first eye. There's a small circle inside of the big circle that makes the eye. Now let's add in our second eye. Now, we're going to also glue on the bat's mouth. Aw, how cute! Next, we're going to give the bat a little bow. What color is that bow? Purple! Good job! Now we're going to glue on the bat wings. Oh, she's looking so cute! Now we can put our 2 sets of bat ears on. What a fun craft! And I love how our little bat turned out. I hope you guys give this a try and have a happy Halloween! See you next time, bye!